Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm walking you through how to track your expense and manage your budget using the MoneyLion app. Let's get started. First, download the MoneyLion app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Open the app and create your free account. Once you're logged in, you will be prompted to link your bank accounts, credit card, and other financial accounts. They allows MoneyLion to automatically import and categorize your transactions securely. Now, head to the Spending tab. Here, you will see a clear overview of your income and expenses, neatly organized into categories like groceries, dining, bills, and entertainment. You can easily track where your money is going each month. To create a budget, tap on the budget section. Mainline will suggest budget limits based on your past spending, but you can customize these to fit your goals. Set monthly limits for each category, and the app will track your progress in real time. Enable notification to get alerts when you are close to exceeding your budget or when unusual spending is detected. This helps you stay on track without constantly checking the app. Use the Insights feature to see personalized tips for saving money, like you're pointing out a recurring subscription you might have forgotten about. And that's it. You're now effortlessly tracking your expenses and it's tracking to your budget with MoneyLion. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Let me know in the comments how MoneyLion has helped you manage your money. Thanks for watching. Let's see you in the next video.